Let me see if it's working now. I think it is, yes.
Excellent.
Which one is that again?
Rambling Man.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Bill the Freight Train.
Okay, great.
Lord, I was born a rambling man, trying to make a living, doing the best I can. When it's time for leaving, hope you'll understand. I was born a rambling man. Father was a gambler down in Georgia, wound up on the wrong end of a gun. I was born in the backseat of a Greyhound bus, rolling down Highway 41. Lord, I was born a rambling man, trying to make a living, doing the best I can. When it's time for leaving, hope you'll understand. I was born a rambling man. On my way to New Orleans this morning, heading out of Nashville, Tennessee. Always having a good time out on the bayou, Lord. Them Delta women think the world of me. Lord, I was born a rambling man, trying to make a living, doing the best I can. When it's time for leaving, hope you'll understand. I was born a rambling man. Lord, I was born a rambling man.